Hello, I'm Michele Hyde, President of Simply Bookkeeping. In this video, I'll share some things that you can do leading up to an audit to make it go as smooth as possible. The first thing you should do is to get help from a professional, either from an accountant or a bookkeeper. If you're a small business owner facing an audit, you should probably think about working with a bookkeeper because doing so will help keep the costs down. Hiring a bookkeeper as soon as you learn that you're going to be audited will help make the whole process faster, smoother, and possibly even cheaper. The CRA will likely call you to notify you that you are going to be audited. When they call you, they'll tell you which type of audit they will be performing, specifically what they want to look at, when they would like to perform the audit, and the contact information of the auditor. For several reasons, it is very important that you ask for written notice of the audit. It makes sure that you and your bookkeeper or accountant fully understand and can properly prepare for what they are looking for. With a written list of what they want to look at, you can get everything ready and organized for when the audit happens. It also makes sure that the audit is focused only on what they have asked for. This is where your bookkeeper will earn their keep. While the auditor is only allowed to ask to see what they have specified up front, some auditors will ask other questions that may not be related to what the audit is about. If you answer all of their questions, you run the risk of drawing them deeper into the audit, and if they don't like the sounds of some of your answers, then they can trigger another type of an audit. An knowledgeable and experienced bookkeeper will make sure that the questions that they ask are pertinent to what the audit is about. Once you understand what the auditor wants to look at, start retrieving and organizing the supporting paperwork. This will save time during the audit and keep the auditor happy. And a happy auditor is a cooperative auditor. The auditor might want to see copies of your invoices for products and services rendered, expenses, bank records, and credit card statements. If it's an employer compliance audit, they will probably want to see records for your source deductions and remittances, as well as supporting documentation for your employee health benefits plan. If they have requested information for previous years, and they are allowed to do that, you should carefully sort all of the supporting documentation by type and time period, and you should also make sure you can access it quickly. It'll make the actual audit a faster, more efficient, and less painful experience. On the day of the audit, remember to be professional and courteous. Auditors are just doing their jobs, and an audit is not a personal attack against you or your company. Remember that most small businesses file their tax returns, HST remittances, and pay their employees without providing the supporting documentation. And audits are checks to make sure that businesses are managed in full compliance with our tax laws and to maintain a high level of public confidence. Another thing to remember is that auditors are people just like us. If you are harsh, rude, or impolite to an auditor, they have the power to make your audit a much longer, drawn out, and painful experience than it needs to be. Being audited can cause a lot of stress for a small business owner, but the experience can be a lot smoother and less painful if you hire a qualified professional like a bookkeeper. Understand what you're being asked for, get organized, and above all, be professional. I hope this information has been valuable for you. If you would like to talk to a bookkeeper, please feel free to contact me. I'm Michele Hyde, President of Simply Bookkeeping. I look forward to hearing from you.